Hey guys, this is Norm Farrar from Private Label Legion. In this video, I'm going to be talking about supercharging your Amazon seller opportunity by enrolling in Brand Registry. Before we do that, make sure you check out privatelabellegion.com for more great information, great free information, or check out our Facebook group. And don't forget to give us a like. Now let's talk about Brand Registry. I know Brand Registry has been around forever, but why are you not enrolled? If you've not joined Brand Registry, why not? This can be a game changer. If you don't know enough about Brand Registry, you've got to check it out. First, Brand Registry's been around forever. It's been around a long time. But there's still a lot of changes that go on constantly. There's misinformation, and especially on the enrollment and how long the process takes. It provides you with a whole assortment of tools which will help you optimize your sales, understand those sales, figure out what's working and what's not. But more importantly, it helps protect your brand. By the way, it's free. Yes, F-R-E-E. It's free and it's a must-have. I'm going to dive deep into a complete list of the benefits in another video, but for now, let's show you how to sign up. First, you need to go to brandservices.amazon.com. You'll need to have an existing trademark or pending trademark application. Amazon released a program a while back that would help speed up the ability to enroll in Brand Registry. It's called the IP Accelerator program, which allowed sellers to use a pending trademark application as long as they use one of Amazon's approved partners. The program cut down the approval process time from 6 to 9 months just to a few days. The program is still available. So if you want to see more information about the IP Accelerator program, go to brandservices.amazon.com/IP Accelerator. But now you no longer have to use the IP Accelerator program. You have the choice to pick how you want to register your trademark. Once you get the pending trademark application, you can easily enroll. You can be up to and running in as fast as 7 days rather than 9 months. One thing to keep in mind is that Amazon is only accepting text-based marks and image-based marks with words, letters, or numbers. Before you get started, you want to make sure that you have your registration or serial number. If you don't have it, it's easy to find. Just go to Google and type in trademark search or TESS, T-E-S-S. That's the Trademark Electronic Search System. Click on uspto.gov. When you land on the page, you'll see Trademark Electronic Search System, TESS. Click on it again. Now you want to select Basic Word Mark Search, New User. You will see 2 columns beside your name. The first is the serial number. That's the one you'll need on the application if your trademark has not been approved. The second one is your registration number. Now you can click either number or the brand to get the full information. Once you have that, it's easy to get started. Just go back to Brand Services and click Enroll Now. I recommend that you use your same login information that you use in your Seller Central account. You'll also have a series of questions you'll have to answer. First is, what is your brand? And it's important that you put the exact case. So it's all uppercase, or if it's a mixture of upper and lowercase, make sure it shows exactly the way it's shown on your file number. Select a trademark office. All right, as default, at least for .com, you're going to see the US. However, if you click any of those other countries, if you click Canada or if you click Germany, you'll notice that there's different information that you're going to have to provide. So just do so. But for this example, we're going to be using the US. So you'll add your registration number. You're going to add your brand website. Now this is completely optional. If you do have a website, you can definitely add it. Do you sell on other markets? So are you on Walmart or are you on some other platform? You can add them here. but again, it's completely optional. You will need to show your product and your product logo in use, either on your packaging. Amazon does give you an explanation of what you can and can't use. So just upload that image and click next. Now you're going to have to check whether you're a seller or a vendor. If you're a private label seller, white label, some people call it, then you are a seller. If you're selling wholesale, you're a vendor. You're going to have to provide the different categories that best describes your brand. Maybe your brand covers 3 or 4 different categories. Make sure you select them. And you're also going to have to provide your top selling ASINs for each of the categories that you just provided. Then you click next. Amazon just needs a little bit more information. First of all, distribution information. Does your brand sell to distributors? Well, maybe they do. If you're a manufacturer, you might sell to a wholesaler or a different type of distributor. So if you say yes, you have the option of saying where you're distributed. It could be in different countries. There's a drop down there. Select the best country that describes where you're distributing. And then the last question, does your brand license to other people? Simple yes or no. And then you can click submit, wait a few days, and voila, you are registered. You no longer have to wait months. You can get up and running on brand registry in a matter of days. All right, that's everything you need to know about enrolling in brand registry. To get more great information, head over to the Private Label Legion Facebook group, and remember to give us a like if you enjoyed this video, or better yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring that bell to receive notifications when we release great new content.